Hello guys, today I will tell you about ApeCoin. Ticker is APE, rank is 38. Around 1,08,000 people have added it to the watch list on CoinMarketCap. ApeCoin price is $13.12. ApeCoin is pumping 12.88% today. ApeCoin price performance in 24 hour. Low price is $11.45, high price is $13.44. Here you can check 1 month price performance of ApeCoin. Low price is $1 and high price is $13.40. You can also check 1 year performance. Low price is also $1 and high price is also $13.40. ApeCoin launch on Ethereum blockchain. ApeCoin is audited project. This project audited by Caratic and Chain Salting. ApeCoin market cap is $3.6 billion. Trading volume in 24 hour around $2.9 billion. APE coin listed on Binance Exchange, Huobi Global, Coinbase, Gate.io, KuCoin and 85 other exchanges. Now you can also check historical data, holders, news, social rating analysis and price estimates. And this is price chart of ApeCoin. You can analyze this chart of 7 day, 1 month, 3 month, 1 year and all. You can check market cap chart and you can also check trading chart. Here you can check trading chart or trading volume. You can read public comments on APE coin. You can also post your comment on APE. ApeCoin circulating supply is around 277 million APE coins and maximum supply is 1 billion APE coin. What is ApeCoin? ApeCoin is for the Web3 economy. ApeCoin focus on culture has found new expression in Web3 through art, gaming, entertainment and events. The possibilities for blockchains impact on culture are so endless that they can't possible all be predicted yet. Ape is a token made to support what's next, controlled and built on by community. It will serve as a decentralized protocol layer for community-led initiatives that drive culture forward into the metaverse, which means ApeCoin focus on Web3 economy like art, gaming, entertainment and NFT or metaverse. Number of coin allocation of APE. Total supply is 1 billion tokens. 62% for ecosystem fund, 16% for Yuga Labs charity, 8% for BAYC founders. Here you can check detail token distribution information like 62% for circulating, 16% for Yuga Labs for charity, 14% for launch and contributors, 8% for BAYC means founders. You can also check NFT allocation. Bored Ape only 10,094 tokens, Mutant Ape only 2,042 tokens, Bored APE plus Kernel Club 10,950 tokens and Mutant Ape plus Kernel Club 2,898 tokens. ApeCoin governance. The ApeCoin community governs itself via ApeCoin DAO, the decentralized governance framework that supports the ecosystem fund. The DAO follows a proposal process to vote on how the ecosystem fund will be distributed by the Ape Foundation to promote a diverse and self-sustaining ecosystem. This governance guide is an overview of the proposal process. It is a living document that will evolve, improve with the DAO community input, which means ApeCoin completely focus on decentralization and ApeCoin controlled by holders means ApeCoin controlled by community. Twitter account of ApeCoin. Total followers is 220k followers. You can check recent tweet of ApeCoin. So guys, I have shared this information according to project website. Please do your own research and check everything before invest. Cryptocurrency is very risky. Invest in cryptocurrency at own risk. Thanks for watching.